Now we'll show you how to sew a zipper with an underlap, a key construction technique for pants or skirts. First, pin together the pieces at the front crotch of your pants. Sew along this line, stopping just before reaching the underlap pieces, about 5 to 7 centimeters in. Next, iron the extension of the right pants front along the center front line to the wrong side. Press the lower extension of the left trouser front 1.5 centimeters off the center front to the wrong side. Take the underlap piece and fold it in half lengthwise. Sew one long side and one short side of the underlap. Then trim the edges diagonally and turn it inside out. Position the zipper onto the lower extension of the left front piece, with the zipper teeth aligned to the pressed edge and the beginning of the zipper 1 centimeter away from the waistband. Sew the zipper, right sides together, onto the extension piece with a straight stitch. Midway through, open the zipper and continue sewing until the end. Next, baste the underlap to the stitching line. Sew the underlap zipper and pants together using a zipper foot, stitching very close to the top edge of your folded extension. Once done, remove the basting threads. Now, on the outside, you can see how the front of the pants will look. Pin the zipper front closed as it will sit once finished. On the inside, fold the underlap out of the way and baste the other side of the zipper to the right side of the pants extension. Sew along the basting line from the outside with a straight machine stitch. Then sew along the end with a perpendicular seam to secure it in place. Use a needle to bring the thread to the inside and secure it with a knot. Finally, remove all basting threads. Your zipper is now complete. Move on to the next video, where we'll show you how to sew the pleats in the front.